Hello, everyone. Now, if you're watching this, that means you clicked on the help video and you're a little confused about this problem in your homework. So let's see if my example can guide you to solving yours. So the scenario here is that a car is going to cost a specific amount of dollars. In my scenario is that's $37,000. And the moment it's driven off the lot, it's going to begin to depreciate, lose value at a rate of 29% per year. So what is the car going to be worth after 6 years? So so first of all, even though we're dealing with money, nothing about this is about compounding again and earning interest on interest. So we're not going to use the compound interest formula. Instead, we're going to use the other exponential function formula, which is a equals to an initial value, regardless if it's principal or not, 1 plus r raised to the power of t. So we can use a simpler form of this compounding interest formula because there's really no compounding periods throughout the entire year. Now, one thing that is going to be different is that the car is going to depreciate, lose value. So that means that while A is this $37,000, R is going to be a negative number. So maybe that's one of the reasons why you're probably getting this one wrong, because it's depreciation, we're losing money. So this initial value is going to go down. So we're going to use negative 29 out of 100, which is negative 0.29. And the time is going to be 6 years. So the amount of money that this car is going to be worth is going to start off with 37,000. 1 plus this negative number or minus 0.29, and we're going to raise it to the 6th power. So let's have Desmos help me evaluate this. So 1 plus negative or just minus, I don't have to put plus negative, I could just write minus 0.29 and raise that to the 6th power. We end up with $4,739 and 71 cents. Since we're talking about dollars, we'll estimate it again to the nearest cent. So unless it says otherwise on any situation, we always assume it's going to be to the nearest cent. And so if I look at the third decimal point, that's a 0. So with that being a 0, I don't have to add 1 because it's less than 5. So it's going to stay at 71 cents. But there's the worth of the car. So I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.